Established in 1994, PT Swabina Karya Indonesia has become one of the pioneers in the natural stone manufacturing industry. With more than 30 years of experience, PT Swabina Karya Indonesia has built a reputation as a provider of local Indonesian natural stone products with international quality and has proven our excellence through well-established relationships with global retailers, as well as with leading contractors and interior designers in Indonesia. We have become a trusted partner for many well-known global retailers and importers spread throughout the world in Europe, America, Asia and Australia. The advantages of our products are upcycling and eco-friendly products, seamless patterns, and easy application. PT Swabina Karya Indonesia also participates in several prestigious exhibitions every year such as the International Furniture Expo, Indonesia or IFEX, Indobuild Tech Expo Indonesia, Xiamen Stone Fair China. For more information or to start your project with us, visit our website at indomosaic.com or call us at 089518132319.